Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be talking about mqombothi. That is our traditional beer, our Tsonga traditional beer. Usually it is made by our grannies or like older people. The youth can't make it. So I will be telling you more about the ingredients that we use in order for us to make mqombothi. And some people like make it on occasions like weddings, parties, funerals, even when they want to perform like certain rituals, certain cultural rituals. That can be logo ipahla, they also make it, but then people also make it and then sell mqombothi to the older people or everyone who wants to buy it. They usually store them in small jars that we call them XIKALO, and in Xitsonga the glass jars we call them XIKALO. So they store them there. Usually now I think XIKALO it's 20 rand, it's 15 to 20 rand, yeah. We have got the smaller jars. The smaller jars are 15 rand. Then we have got the bigger jars that are 20 rand. Yeah. So the ingredients that they use in order to make mqombothi, they use maize meal, chomela, and then water. They boil water, then put maize meal in, then they take off that mixture from the stove and then let it rest for a little bit. Then they put chomela, then they boil it again until it is ready. Then they also store them for like it can be like 2 days for it to be able to be ready in order for it to be mqombothi. So they have to close it after boiling and cooking everything. They have to close it for like 2 days to 3 days for it to be ready. So they sell them. Those days you can even find them in traditional retail shops. They also sell them also, like but then the price is higher than when you get them in the villages. In the villages it's not expensive, and then in those shops they sell them and like they store them in 2 liters and then sell them. So I will be showing you our mqombothi, and then in Jangwan, it's the chomela that we used. Now the chomela it has been cooked, so I will be showing you how it looks when it's cooked, and I'll be showing you our delicious mqombothi. By the way, I have never tasted it, so people say that it's nice and stuff, so I don't know how it tastes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.